Welcome to Camp Hill Kids online Sunday school videos. How are you doing today? I am so happy that you're here and, not playing video games. This month we're talking all about how we can choose self-control. Self-control is choosing to do what you should even when you don't want to. We have control over what we say and do, but we don't have to do it alone. God can give us the power to stay in control. We need to make wise choices, and with God's help, we can do that. It's a good feeling when you're in control, isn't it? It feels good when you have the remote and you can choose what you want. If you want, you can make your characters go backwards. Or maybe have them do the same thing over and over and over again. Or you can pause them mid-sentence and then force them to freeze. You could fast forward to the next scene. You could even make them speak French. That's pretty awesome power, Well, I hope you stick around and don't change any of the settings on this video. If you do, I don't know what I would sound like if I spoke in French. Oh well. So, we have our Yay God moments. They come from kids just like you, either from a grown-up sending us an email, or kids telling me in person at Sunday school or whenever they see me, or from our Facebook page or website. So, this one comes from Jonathan. Now, Jonathan was super excited to get to travel to see family at Christmas that he doesn't get to see often. That included his grandparents. And I know I was super happy when I got to see my family this Christmas. I hope you did too. That's the thing about last year and the year before that. There were things that we didn't get to do or people we didn't get to see. So now that we get to see them and celebrate with them, especially Christmas, it is so great and we can be so thankful for God. So thank you, Jonathan, for sharing that Yay God moment with me. All right, we have our new song of the month that we just started learning, and it's called Your Way. So I hope that you want to stand up and get ready to sing and dance to that right now.
Whenever I'm in need and I'm looking for help, God, you're always there for me. Wherever you lead me, I can follow you. God, you're always there for me. Oh, God, you're always there for me. Help me believe you know what's best for me. I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Whenever I'm lost and I don't know where to turn, God, you're always there for me. Wherever I go, you're always by my side. God, you're always there for me. Oh, God, you're always there for me. Yes, you are. So help me believe you know what's best for me. I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah.
Yeah. God, help us to be more like you, 'cause your way is the best way.
I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah.
God helps us choose the way we should live our life and how to treat others. And I hope that when you think about that song, that is what you think of. So today we're taking a look at a pretty amazing example of self-control from the life of David. Now, at this point in the story, just to give you a little background, David has been chosen by God to be Israel's next king. But Saul was still king at the time. Uh-oh. David served King Saul and won many battles for Israel. You'd think that would have made King Saul pretty happy, right? No. Instead, Saul was really jealous of David's success and the attention he got for it. Saul also didn't like the idea that David would be king one day. So Saul actually tried to kill David. Yikes. All right, so-and-so friends, let's hear the rest of the story.
John, come on, it's about to start.
Oh boy. I cannot believe we're about to watch the last episode of Science Dinosaur.
I know, after all these years and all these seasons, I'm so glad that I get to share this moment with you.
Me too. Where's the remote?
I don't know, you had it last.
No, I'm pretty sure you had it last.
Regardless, I don't have it.
Well,
okay, what was the last thing we watched?
I think Mystic Quest.
Oh yeah, right, and I told you to turn down the volume, remember?
No, but then I told you to turn it off.
Okay. I can't see it anywhere. Where's the...
Well, now what do we do?
Hello all, I'm Brandon.
I'm John.
And this is the So-and-So Show. Put that down. But you don't know what the thing can do.
I know, but that's why I'm messing with it. Who knows what possibilities I can unlock within.
In case you haven't heard, we've got this remote control that is having some strange effects.
Yeah, last episode it was fast forwarding us, changing our channels.
Yeah, and we're not exactly sure what the limits are, so please put it down.
But Brandon, this is a rare opportunity. When else are we going to have a remote control with these kinds of capabilities?
Fine, but we need to agree on what button to press, all right? Something without any physical distress.
Okay. What about the closed captioning button?
Okay, that's the button where words come up on the screen that help people who are hard of hearing know what we're saying.
Yeah,
right.
That won't be too much
All right.
of an issue, right?
I can't think of anything that could go wrong. Try it. Is that it?
Oh, looks like it. See? That's not so bad.
Hey, this is kind of neat.
Everybody knows that I'm in the zone and my name is John and I'm not alone. Hey. Hey. Hey!
All right, this is fun, but we have to get on with the show.
I agree.
So, do we have a guest?
If that's what you want, pal.
Where's he going? What are you... Ow. Ha! What was that about?
You told me to.
What? No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
So, do we have a guest?
if that's what you want, pal.
I didn't say that, though.
You must have. It was on the screen.
No, but I didn't.
I'm glad you agree with me.
I don't. Listen to the words I'm saying. No! John, listen to what I'm saying. The words on the screen are not what I'm saying. Look, can you see how that's different?
Oh, buddy. I think you rule.
Ah! Oh. All right. Listen, you. I don't know who you are or what you're doing, but you need to stop right now. I got a whole show to do, so I need you to leave me alone and start writing the words that I'm saying, okay? What? Why not? This is funny. No, it is not funny. You're just being rude and selfish, and I don't like it. Really? Ah!
Wow. My name is Brandon, and I'm a big baby boo-hoo. Guess I'll go. It's a weird thing to say, but whatever. I'm sure he had his reasons. Well, I'm sad to go into it alone, but still, it's Bible story time with Karen.
Hey, John, where's your co-host?
Oh, he left like a big baby. No idea why, but what are we talking about today, Kellen?
Weird. But today, we're going to be looking at 1 Samuel chapter 24. And of course, I can't do this alone, so we're going to be welcoming our friends, the So-and-So Show players. Our story begins with David on the run. Now, you may remember David from all the famous things he did, like fight and defeat the giant Goliath.
What up?
David was also known as an impressive harp player.
What up?
All told, David was a really popular guy.
David, he's our man. If he can't do it, no one can.
There was just one problem. Saul was the king, and he had a little jealousy issue.
What do you mean by that chant? Oh, everyone thinks David is so good. Well, what about me?
Saul, he's our man. If he can't do it, David can.
What? I see what's going on here. Everyone thinks that David should be king. Well, not on my watch. Guards! After him!
It wasn't just the people who loved David. David was picked by God to be the next king after Saul. Saul was afraid of David and plotted to kill him.
King Saul, we've been told that David is hiding in this desert.
It's great. No. Let's go get... As I was saying, let's go get... Let's go get... Okay, so, we're all adults here, right? I got to go to the party. So, maybe we could wait 10, 20 minutes to kill David.
Got plenty of time.
So, I'm gonna go in that cave over there. Yeah. Leave me alone.
Yes, sir.
David, David, he's our man. What's next? He's got a plan.
Do you hear that?
Whoa!
What do I do?
Sneak up on him, end it quick. Him chasing us is no picnic.
David had the perfect opportunity to kill his enemy Saul, but instead, he cut off the corner of his robe.
David, David, what's the deal? Put an end to this ordeal.
Oh. Woo. I feel good. I knew that I would. Yeah, I feel good. I knew that I would.
I can't kill Saul. God anointed him to be king, and I have to respect that. I can't lay a hand on him.
But don't you see that he'd kill you?
If he finds out, we're all through.
David knew he had to trust God no matter what. So the next thing he did was really, really bold.
David, David, are you nuts?
I'll say this for him. He's got guts.
King Saul.
What?
This day, you have seen with your own eyes how the Lord has handed you over to me in the cave. Some of my men begged me to kill you, but I didn't.
David, David, don't blame us. He'll say we are treasonous.
I said, I will never lay my hand on my master. He is the Lord's anointed king.
David, rise.
People say evil acts come from those who do evil. So, I won't do anything to hurt you.
David, you are a better person than I am. May the Lord reward you with many good things. And may the Lord do it because of the way you treated me today. I know for sure you will be king. And I know the kingdom of Israel will be secure under your control. Bring it in. Oh. Oh. Hey, my back feels better.
David, now what's next? The political fallout is complex.
You guys know you don't have to chant everything.
Great job, everyone. Let's have a big hand for the So-and-So Show players. David had every reason to be angry. King Saul was trying to kill him. Being angry is understandable when you or someone you know is being treated unfairly. But what's important is what we do with that anger. You see, David had self-control, though. He knew the right decision was to trust God and let his plans play out. And I know it's hard sometimes to keep your cool when someone makes you mad, but take a deep breath and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll make better choices if you could control your anger instead of letting your anger control you. I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, Kellen.
John, read these. Okay. The closed captioning has been saying things I haven't said.
How dare you? Hey, nobody said that.
I got really frustrated, so I had to leave and come up with a plan. I get it. Can you please turn the closed captioning off? Oh, sure. See ya, pal.
Finally.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Brandon. I didn't even notice.
It's fine. It gave me an excuse to exercise my self-control. I also have one more card to read. You want to read it out loud?
Sure. Reveal the question, exclamation mark.
The question of the day is, what makes you angry?
Big stuff obviously makes me angry, like bullying or when somebody's treated unfairly, but little stuff can make me angry too, like, if someone doesn't put cheese on my cheeseburger or, stub my toe. I know it's irrational, I just can't help it.
Yeah, same here. Hey, we can get mad at something, that's understandable. But if you have self-control...
Yeah, then anger won't turn you into someone you're not.
Exactly. John, I think that remote control is maybe more trouble than it's worth.
Yeah. Think we should throw it away?
Yeah, let's give it 2 more weeks.
Yeah. Until next time, I'm John.
And I'm Brandon.
And this was the So-and-So Show. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
All right, what do we want to? Which one do we want to do now?
Crindurulololo. Yippers, skipper lappers, this. Wow, 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 booty. I know somebody in the. Ha.
David had amazing self-control in this story. He had every reason to be angry at King Saul. After all, King Saul had been trying to kill him. But when David had the chance to kill Saul himself, even with all the men urging him to do it, he didn't let his anger control him. I imagine he stopped and took a deep breath. And that's when he chose to spare Saul's life. Here's what each of us need to remember today. Don't be controlled by your anger. Of course, we all get angry from time to time. Sometimes we have a good reason to be angry. You might get angry when you or someone you know is treated unfairly. Jesus himself got angry, but he had every good reason for it. He was angry when people hurt others, or when people lied about him, or when people used their status to get rich and hurt others. But Jesus never let his anger control him. So what do you do if your little brother or sister borrows something that they weren't supposed to? What if someone says something to you that hurts your feelings? What if you feel left out because your friends planned something without you? You might feel angry. I would probably feel angry too. But don't let your anger control you. Stop and think about how you'll respond. Remember that it's always best to make the wise choice, because unfortunately, you can't hit rewind and take things back. And don't forget, you're never on your own. God is with you. God is always in control, and with his help, we can be too. All right, friends, we've been practicing this memory verse, and I want to see if you've got this in your brain yet. If you haven't, no worries, because we are going to practice it together once and then do it together one more time after that. Okay, here we go. God's power has given us everything we need to lead a godly life. 2 Peter 1:3. Let's do it together one more time. God's power has given us everything we need to lead a godly life. 2 Peter 1:3. Now, it's that time where we're going to talk to God and thank God for what we have in our life, but also to ask God to help us to remember to have that self-control, even when it's super difficult. So, let's close our eyes and quiet our hearts, and let's talk to God right now. Dear God, I thank you so much for our friends who are with us today. And whatever has happened this week that has led us to being here. God, it is so good to hear all of these examples from the Bible of self-control and know that there are times where we're going to slip up, but you are always with us and love us and will help us through that to help make wise choices. Thank you for this story about David and learning that it's okay to get angry, but we can't let that anger control us. Help us this week if something does make us angry to stop, take a breath, maybe talk to you, and then figure out how we should respond to the situation in the wise and kind way. We love you. It's in your name we pray. Say it nice and loud, friends. Amen. All right, I'm so happy that you stopped by today, and I really hope that you have a great week. Remember, we post our videos every Friday at noon, so ask your grown-up whenever you can watch the next one. I love you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you, whether it's in person or on the screen. Talk to you soon. Bye.